Mecool produced some pretty decent TV boxes. We reviewed the KM8 by Mecool just a few days ago now, and we found that box to be pretty good. However, there's been a lot of problems recently with the Netflix app running on their boxes. Mecool are yet to release a code update for you guys, maybe with the KM8 or another device, but until then we do have a small fix for some Mecool TV box owners. This should work on the Mecool M8S Pro L and the W variant. I think there is another variant, but you guys can check that out in the links in the description. This video is basically going to be showing you how to install this fix to allow you guys to watch Netflix again on your Mecool TV box. So this process is very simple. In this video, I'm going to be sideloading it. So basically, I'm on my PC now. I'm going to be using the link in the description below. Download the application, place it onto my USB stick, and placing the USB stick into my Mecool Android TV box. Next thing to do is obviously go to your application installer, install the application, open the application, and all you got to do is click this little button that says click to burn. And that's it, guys. Once you've done that, you can come out of there and Netflix should continue to work for you. So that's it, guys. Let me know how you got on in the comment section below. Just a very, very simple process, and most of you guys should be able to do it, no problems at all. Thanks again for watching. My name is Matthew, and you've been watching another video by the MXQ Project. Don't forget to check out the Facebook group, the Twitter, and the website, mxqproject.com. And of course, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Thanks again, and we shall see you very soon.